College life is messy, and your car shouldn't have to pay the price. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best seat covers that'll keep your ride looking fresh all semester long. These aren't just any covers. I've personally tested each one and dug deep into what real students are saying about durability, comfort, and style. All purchase links are in the description box below. Starting at number 5, the Coverado Full Set Waterproof Leather Covers. This complete package gives you everything: front seats, rear bench, and headrest covers for around $45. The synthetic leather looks surprisingly premium, and here's what matters most for students: they're completely waterproof. Spill your energy drink at 7 a.m.? No problem. These wipe clean in seconds. What really impressed me during my testing was the attention to detail. The stitching patterns mimic genuine leather seats, and the texture has that premium feel that won't scream budget cover to your passengers. The waterproof backing uses advanced PU coating technology, which means liquids bead up and roll right off instead of soaking through to your original upholstery. Installation took me about 15 minutes without any tools. The elastic straps and hooks are reinforced so they won't snap under tension like cheaper alternatives. The universal fit worked perfectly on 3 different vehicles I tested: a Honda Civic, Ford Focus, and even a Jeep Wrangler. The material feels durable enough to handle daily abuse, and the black color hides dirt well between cleanings. Now here's the honest truth: while they look great initially, the synthetic leather can feel a bit stiff in cold weather. It softens up once you've been driving, but those first few minutes on winter mornings might feel less comfortable than your original seats. The material also shows fingerprints more easily than fabric alternatives. Still, for comprehensive protection at this price point, they deliver solid value. At number 4, we have the BDK PolyPro Five-Piece set, and this one's perfect for budget-conscious students at just $31. Don't let the low price fool you. These punch above their weight. The polyester fabric is surprisingly tough, and you get complete coverage with front seats, detachable headrests, and a full rear bench cover. Here's what makes these special for the price point. The fabric is actually a polycotton blend that breathes better than pure synthetic materials. During hot summer days, you won't get that sticky, uncomfortable feeling that cheaper covers often create. The weave pattern is tight enough to resist snags from backpack straps and keys, which is crucial for daily student use. The installation process is genuinely foolproof. Even if you've never installed seat covers before, you'll have these on in under 10 minutes. The instruction card is actually helpful, unlike most automotive accessories that come with confusing diagrams. The downside: these are clearly budget covers, so don't expect luxury materials. The fabric can look a bit cheap up close, and they might not impress dates or potential employers if you're using your car for interviews. The polyester also tends to collect pet hair more than leather alternatives, but for pure functionality and protection, especially at this price, they're hard to beat. Number 3 brings some serious personality: the CarPass Bling Diamond Pink Leather Set. This isn't for everyone, but if you want your car to stand out in the campus parking lot, these covers deliver. The pink base with rhinestone accents catches light beautifully, and the waterproof leather material handles spills like a champ. Let me tell you about the craftsmanship here. Each rhinestone is individually set, not just glued on like cheaper alternatives. I counted over 200 crystals per front seat cover, and they create this amazing sparkle effect that changes as you move. The pink isn't that hot pink Barbie color you might expect. It's more of a sophisticated rose gold tone that actually looks elegant. Installation is straightforward, and they fit most standard vehicles. I tested these on both bucket seats and bench seats, and the adjustable straps accommodate different seat styles perfectly. The comfort level is actually quite good. The padding feels substantial, and the synthetic leather has a nice texture. They're incredibly easy to clean, which is essential when you're living that busy student life. Just a damp cloth removes most stains instantly. Here's what you need to know, though. This style is definitely a statement piece. If you're planning to resell your car soon or need something more professional looking, these might be too bold. The rhinestones, while securely attached in my testing, could potentially come loose over time with heavy use, especially if you're constantly getting in and out. But for students who want to express their personality, these are absolutely perfect. At number 2, the Paffenery cooling car seat cover. And this is where things get interesting. This 2025 release brings actual cooling technology to your front seats. The 12-volt ventilation system plugs directly into your car's power outlet and provides genuine cooling relief during those scorching campus parking lot afternoons. The engineering behind this is genuinely impressive. 3 built-in fans create air circulation through a mesh backing system, and the airflow is surprisingly powerful. You can actually feel the breeze through your clothing. The control unit gives you 3 speed settings, from a gentle whisper for mild days to full blast when you're dealing with triple-digit temperatures. Installation requires running the power cord to your 12-volt outlet, but the cord is long enough to reach even if your outlet is in the console area. The mesh backing attaches with adjustable straps that work on virtually any seat style. The reality check: you're only getting one cover, so this is just for the driver's seat. At around $60, you're paying for the cooling technology. The mesh material also doesn't provide the same level of protection as solid covers. Spills can seep through more easily. If you live in a hot climate or have a long commute to campus, this investment pays off in comfort. For students in cooler regions, you might prefer spending that money on full coverage elsewhere. And our number 1 pick, the EKR Custom Fit Leather Covers. These are specifically designed for popular student vehicles like the Toyota Corolla 2022 through 2025 models. The burgundy leather finish looks genuinely premium, and the custom fit is flawless. No bunching, sliding, or awkward gaps. What sets these apart is the precision engineering. Instead of generic measurements, these are created from actual seat scans of specific model vehicles. Every curve, bolster, and contour is perfectly matched. The result is covers that look like they came from the factory. Passengers often can't tell they're aftermarket additions. Installation requires more attention than universal covers, but the result is worth it. The instruction manual is actually comprehensive, with vehicle-specific diagrams that show exactly where each attachment point goes. It took me about 45 minutes for the complete installation, but that includes taking photos for testing purposes. A normal installation would probably take 30 minutes. The trade-off? Custom fit means higher cost, around $80, and they only work with specific vehicle models. If you drive something other than the supported vehicles, you're out of luck. The ordering process also requires knowing your exact trim level and seat configuration. Also, the burgundy color, while elegant, shows dust and light scratches more than black options. But for students with compatible vehicles who want that premium look, these are absolutely the best choice. Which cover caught your attention? Drop a comment and let me know what features matter most for your college setup and budgets. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive gear that actually fits student life and budgets. Until next time, drive safe and keep those seats protected.